Well, good morning. Look what Grandma's got now, another shopping haul. Some of these pieces are inspired from Mackenzie Childs, and some of these pieces are for my English tea that I'm going to be having in the end of the month. So keep checking out what we're up to. July the 10th we're joining in with an English tea. And some of these pieces will be used on that and some will not. I am going to be putting up 3 or 4 Mackenzie Childs tablescapes, cozy corner, some bathroom displays. We're going to be doing quite a few different displays, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. Do you not enjoy this watering can with the king frog? Look at that proud look on his face. And the bug better be a little careful getting too close to that frog. That tongue can come out really fast and grab anything very easily and quickly. Is this not done so beautifully? My daughter has really been working hard to find all these beautiful little pieces. And this one is especially beautifully put together. As we're going to be doing an English tea, I actually have something here in silver. Is it not beautiful? We're trying to have a little better displays than we did last year. Not that they were bad last year, but they're just going to be higher end this time. And as you can see, we also got some little teapots to put on the table to put the tea bags, for they don't mess up our tablecloth and we don't get our sandwiches and treats soggy from tea dripping over. So now we have a place to put them. Do they not look beautiful? And they go beautiful with the beautiful teapot. I was very, very happy with what we've been able to find this year to up our game for a little more high-end English tea. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Each year we add a little bit more to what we already own and have. Eventually I will get all the pieces. I still don't have everything yet, but it's just a matter of time. And because you all know I have a great love for miniatures, I have some miniature teapots that I got. Are they not beautiful? I can't wait to use them also. As you can tell, they're very high-end little miniature teapots. They're real metal, and they are just beautifully designed, not counting the beautiful containers they came in. And here is another little miniature teapot, except this one has some beautiful hummingbirds on it. Are they not beautiful? You can hear the birds in the background getting all excited about watching what I'm doing. I am so lucky that my daughter has decided to help me get my channel getting off the ground a little better, finding me more high-end pieces to share with you. I think these would be really nice on a English tea table. You could probably even put milk in here and use that also, because they're small and beautiful. I don't want something just to be looked at. I want stuff to be able to be used also. So, what do you think? Maybe put some milk in here and have it for the tea? Sounds good to me. How about you? Now, these lemon plates are inspired plates. They're not the real thing, but they really do look beautiful, do they not? Look at the beautiful lemons and the black and white checks. I think the black and white check, I think I like that the best. A little more color. But not that the yellows are not pretty. So I have a set of 4 altogether, so I can do 2 different tablescapes for 2, or I can do a tablescape for 4, whichever I want. And that is my goal, I think, this coming year, to be able to use maybe a little bigger tablescapes. So this one I'm very happy with. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite piece on this wonderful shopping haul today? You know, Grandma's trying to get all her shopping haul videos up for we can get busy and start doing tablescapes in the house, the cozy corner, doing some vignettes, doing some coffee and tea stations. Grandma has so many ideas that she can't wait to share with you. Please, let me know what was your favorite piece. My biggest problem is I love everything so. Well, leave me a comment in the comment section. What was your favorite? For me, they all were beautiful. Love the beautiful little miniature high-end teapots that my daughter found. We are going to have such a massive teapot collection the rate we're going. Every time I turn around, we have a new teapot to add to it. And of course, this watering can is going to be perfect for the cozy corner. It's not too big, and I can put a beautiful little floral arrangement in here for the cozy corner. I can't wait to get busy on that. It'll be up in a day or two, so please keep coming back until you can see what Grandma's going to do. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Thank you for all the support you always give. Love you all so much. Still can't get over these beautiful miniature teapots. They are all so beautifully done.